Well, guys, we got this Chevy 2500 dialed in. I've made a new friend from South Florida. His name is Jeremy. He drove 10 hours to bring his truck to us, and of course I explained everything in the beginning that we were going to do to it. We were just kind of lightly tuning up the truck's what I'm going to say, getting it riding right for him, getting everything set right on the ride height, and the truck's beautiful. We did a set of rock lights and wheel lights on it. We did some shims in the rear. We put some airbag spacers on it. We did the alignment on it, and we adjusted the torsion bars and made everything sit even on each side. So now the truck's ready to ride. I think he's going on a little vacation north of us here in Georgia, and then he's going to go back down to Florida after that. But I really wanted to say I appreciate it to him for bringing it this far and spending his money here. He's got a bunch of plans for us in the future to do things. He wants to do some rock lights and wheel lights, or maybe just rock lights on a trailer of his, and maybe put a wrap on the side of it and go do some truck shows and stuff like that. So I look forward to seeing what we do in the future. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you the truck. Let me know what you think. I love this truck. It's all black. It's like the third one we've done this month. It's all black, but this one's probably the biggest and nicest one of the three. So let me know what you think. All right, here's our beautiful truck, an all blacked out Chevy Silverado 2500. I think we decided this was the LT trim package. It has a 6.6 gas engine in it with the Allison transmission, and it's four-wheel drive. I love the way that this truck looks. It has those amp power steps on it, so it's very, very sleek underneath. You can see all the lift kit parts really good. Starting with the lift kit, never looks bad. The McGoy's 7 to 9 inch lift kit cross member right there. This one is set at 9 inches, has really, really good angles. This lift kit is upgraded with the McGoy's reservoir shocks right there. They've actually, I think they've upgraded their reservoirs to a different design since this kit was produced, but this is their old style reservoir, which was great too. The new ones have M84 written on them, I think. Anyways, this is the McGoy's ball joint cap. We added this for him. He didn't have this prior to being here. He did already have the control arms with the stainless steel faceplates. There's your strut tensioners. These come in the kit. You guys know that. He did upgrade this kit to the rear traction bar right there. It really completes the kit really well, makes everything look, uniform. This is the airlift air spring, helper spring you can put in the back. This is a very nice kit. I sold this for years up until the point when we started using the ReadyLift Air instead of it. We had a little bit better luck with the way the ReadyLift is designed. With this airlift, there's a spacer right there. You have to add that if your truck is lifted. With the ReadyLift airbag kit, there's no extension needed the way they design it, so you can use it on any height truck. There's your lift block from McGoy's. What we supplied for him today was the shim packs that you see on top. That brings it up from the 7-inch height in the rear to the 9-inch height. There's your Infinite Off-Road quad row wheel lights. Now these are what they call the inside and outside row because it has the layer on top and the bottom right there. They look very, very clean under the truck, and at night they're super, super bright. So that's just about everything I wanted to say. Actually, hold on, I got tires and wheels to go over. 37, 13, 50, 24 Nitto Recon Grappler. These tires are absolutely amazing. 55,000 mile warranty, the smoothest, longest lasting all-terrain tire we sell. And then he paired it up with a 24x12 KG1 Mindset in the gloss black finish. Always looks good to me. So that will conclude the things on the truck that I was going to talk about. Let me know what you think in the comments at home about this truck. Would you have an all black truck like this, or would you like one of the Denali's with all the chrome all over it? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, reach out. My number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. I work here 8 to 6 Monday through Friday. Thanks for watching.